Friday saw lots of red on the commodity board. Soybeans, corn, and cattle all down in the week. Michelle Rook has more on what to expect this week in Markets Now.
Corn and soybeans lower again on Friday. Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri-Marketing, is back with analysis. Not only lower prices, but new contract lows in both corn and soybeans last Friday, Chip. And was it the rains that we got in some of those key areas, or was this market just gearing up for the Pro Farmer Crop Tour?
Yeah, I think it's a combination of all of it. I think at the heart of it, the rains that you saw, especially in the Eastern Corn Belt, were essentially crop finishing rains. I mean, coming mid-August, that was exactly what the doctor ordered as far as finishing out this crop. Temperatures have been cool. And so I think, probably 2/3 of it were the rains that we saw around, especially the Eastern Corn Belt. You've got the crop tour. There's some fears that maybe Pro Farmer's going to, confirm what the USDA saw. Maybe they're even going to go up a little bit. And there was some farmer selling as well, especially in corn, of old crop that I think pressured things, late week last week. And so I think it was a combination of all of what you said. But I think mainly the culprit was the rains that we saw around were really good.
So the anticipation for the crop tour coming up here, like we said, confirmation of these record yields. But these are lofty numbers USDA has out there, 183 and over 53 on beans. So do you think a lot of it is already baked into prices?
I think a lot of it is baked into prices. Certainly the bar is very high, right? And so I think there's probably a greater risk that maybe the USDA overshot. Maybe Pro Farmer will kind of confirm that it's a big crop, but maybe not quite as big as what the USDA said. And then we have to ratchet back closer to trend line in the end result. But that still may take 2 or 3 months to figure out. Certainly we'll be debating that at least until the September crop report, in a month. But hopefully Pro Farmer will shed a little more light. They go through some of the best areas. They're also going to go through some of the hardest hit areas with the wet weather early.
So do you think some of the bad areas drag down the good areas, or do the good areas overcome some of those bad areas?
Well, again, I think that's hopefully we'll get a little more guidance from Pro Farmer on that. That might be something we're debating until the January crop report.
Thanks. Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri-Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.